So I'm on day number 10. I don't know why I put up a 2. I put up a 2 like it was 10. I'm on day number 10 of working out 6 days a week. So just one rest day. Clean diet, mainly drinking only water, protein shakes, and no alcohol. And that's my challenge for 30 days. I'm on day 10. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling a lot better. I'm feeling so good to be in a routine. Every day I wake up, go to the gym, get my workout in. I just got back about 30 minutes ago. And you know what? You know what I'm saying? Like, we even looking better. You know, I can't show y'all too much because, you know what I'm saying? It's haters out there. It's haters going to be in my comments. Zay, you look too sexy. I can't take it. I was playing. Yo, I'm a little bit crazy. But I'm about to take y'all with me to go get a little chop, you know, fresh chop. Probably going to go get a pedicure. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got to get out here and get right. Got to look good. Take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? A little self-care day. Self-care starts with fitness. So we knocked it out. We're going to get chopped up. So I'm going to go to Together Barbershop, get a little chop, and then, yeah, pedicure. And I might get a massage after. Who knows? We might just ball out today. When I say ball out, I mean like spend like $20. Because it's Thailand. What? We're not balling. We on a budget. Everything is cheap if you want it to be. Anyway, let me go ahead and call my, I'm going to say Uber. We're in Thailand. Let me call my boat. Head over to go pick up some money from Western Union. And then, yeah, and then go get this stuff knocked out. Let's go. You already know it's hot outside, so I can't be outside for more than like 60 seconds. I start sweating. Be out here looking like melting chocolate. But the sunlight hit me. Skin glistening. Ooh-wee. Hello. Alright, so got the cash. Time to head over to the barbershop. You know what I'm saying? Get right. Decided I'm getting braces this year. So I'm going to take you guys with me. And probably sometime this month of April, I'll probably go ahead and get braces. You know what I'm saying? Improve the smile. It's been something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've actually been doing invisible alignments for like the past couple of years. But my only problem is I suck at keeping them in my mouth. So I haven't fully gotten the results I wanted to because I wear them and I take them out and I don't put them back in until night. So yeah, I just need braces for the discipline. I think my boat is here. I gotta find it. They're calling me. Here we are at the barber shop.
And I flipped it in a double.
Alright, y'all, so the fresh cut is complete. The boy is Mr. Steal Your Girl. That's what they call me, Mr. Steal Your Girl. So y'all better watch out, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got the fresh cut now. But y'all, now on a real level, how about y'all rate the haircut? How y'all think he did? Thailand, you know what I'm saying? Like, he always does a little enhancement at the end. Trade a little joint. It doesn't really make a difference to me, but yeah. Anyway, rate the haircut in the comments. No, it's alright. I ain't gonna complain. He did a pretty decent job. But your boy is starving now, so I gotta go get some food. I'm gonna take y'all to this place called Surprise Barbecue. I first tried it on a little Grab app. Like, I ordered it one day. I didn't feel like going out. I ordered it, and then it got to my place. I ate it. It was so good. Like, I ordered it right again. Like, I ordered it right back. I had to double it. You know, I had to double it. But no. All right, so we're gonna go eat there real quick. Then we're gonna go get a pedicure and then maybe massage. I don't know yet. We'll see how I'm feeling. It's getting a little late. It's like 5 o'clock. I'm old. I'm gonna be in bed by 8. I'm lying. I'm really lying. But anyway, let's go. So this spot I'm at right now is close to Tree Town. So Tree Town is literally right around the corner. So after this, I'm just gonna quickly walk over there and show you guys. I'm not gonna hang around because Tree Town is mainly just like bars and stuff. And as I said, I'm not drinking. It's tempting, right? It's tempting. Your boy look good. I should be outside right now. I should be outside. But nah, I'm gonna take myself back to the crib, or I mean like back to Jomtien area where I'm staying at. Go ahead and get the rest of my day done. Yeah, no beer, unfortunately. Like I said, it's very tempting. Still waiting on the food. It took me like 10 minutes, and as soon as this food comes, I'm about to like it's going down. Like it's really going down. All I ate today was 2 bananas and a protein shake before I went to the gym, and I was a bit in a rush to come here. I didn't want to be late for my haircut appointment. So yeah, your boy is starving right now. I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. Here we go. We got the ribs, fries, and some chicken tenders and some coleslaw. I'm about to demolish this food in 3.5 seconds. The ribs here go crazy. Oh man. First real food of the day. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all should watch this. It's getting a little R-rated. Not suitable for our viewers. I got the chicken tender with the honey mustard. That's a little chewy. A little chewy. Alright guys, so this is Tree Town area. Just right a couple steps away. I mean, we're in the area, but like the actual Tree Town food area is in a couple steps. As y'all can see though, it's mad bars and clubs and massage places, everything over here. It's still early, so it's not popping yet. I mean, it's still kind of busy, but it's only about like almost, I think 5:30ish. So yeah, at night it's gonna be real busy. Streets will be packed. There's always a lot going on over here. This is like the go-to area. People come over here, you know, get drunk and stuff like that, have a good time. So they got some deals. Promotion beer, 49 baht. Cocktail jugs, 239 baht. It's like $7. It's not bad at all. And then like this right here, so like this is Tree Town. Come here at night, you got all types of like bars and little food stands and whatnot. Go down this way, there's more bars, but I'm not really, well, I'll take y'all down there real quick, and I'm about to go back. We got some fresh fruit. Yep. Hello. Mango? I love the fresh fruit carts around Thailand. Like you can find these everywhere, and it's like only 20 baht for fresh fruit. You can get watermelon, mango, pineapple, and they got like guava, some other stuff, apples. 20 baht, which is like $1 for fresh fruit. I love it. All right, so time to head back to my side of town. Got my mangoes. Time to get this pedicure. If they're still open, hopefully they are. And then, like I said, maybe we might get a massage. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Here we go. They got it for $150. Let me see if I can go in here. Told y'all, see what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We getting it back. We getting back. Don't sleep on your boy. Ooh. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Too much for y'all. Too much. Wait, one more second. Damn. All right. How you think my toes look? They look good? That's the first time getting a pedicure by a guy. He did a good job, but that's different. Listen, one thing about Thailand is that the women out here are not shy. If they think you're attractive, you gonna know. The way I've been hit on like 3 different times today. Like I was on the back of a motorbike earlier, and I drive by, and this group of girls start screaming at me like I'm a celebrity. Hello, oi, ah! They was screaming. It was like I can't help but just laugh. It's so fun. I just smile and laugh. And then the massage lady just kept telling me how handsome I was. She was flirting with me the whole time. That's Thailand for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is Thailand for you. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. You know what I'm saying? We got it done today. Fresh cut, pedicure, massage, good food. What more can you ask for? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all suckers in the next video. Peace out.